If you deal with breathing in lots of dust, pollens, or pet danders, you really need this air purifier. We have 3 dogs, so we definitely needed the help. We keep ours just in the corner of our room here. It's nice and small. It takes up like no room. And you change the filters out every 6 months to a year. It tells you on the top whenever it's ready to be changed. And it's really easy to swap the filters. So on the bottom here, you just untwist the bottom real easy, and the filter just pops right in and out. And they make different kinds of filters for different kinds of toxins. And so like for smoke or pet allergies, you can get whatever kind of filter best fits your needs. It captures 99.97% of the tiny particles you have floating around, and it even has a sleep mode. Well, it has other modes too, and timers if you need it, but the sleep mode here is super duper quiet, so you don't notice it at all whenever you're sleeping, and the light on it dims too, so it's not as bright. It is definitely a sleek, compact air purifier option, and it's been a winner for us.